Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to this next video of learning Japanese vocabulary. And today we are going to learn about days of the week. Okay. Kyou wa nanyobi desu ka? Nanyobi, which day? Kyou, today. Which day is today? Okay. So let's learn that how to tell days of the week in Japanese. So as we say day in English, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? We use day in English. Similar to that, in Japanese, we have yobi. Yobi is day. Okay. Now, getsuyobi is Monday. Kayobi, Tuesday. Suiyobi, Wednesday. Mokuyobi, Thursday. Kinyobi, Friday. Doyobi, Saturday. And Nichiyobi, Sunday. Okay. Now you will be wondering how to remember this. To make it very simple, let's remember it in a song. Okay. Gekka sui moku kindo nichi. Gekka sui moku kindo nichi. So you are just going to remember this song and you just have to add yobi to this word to get the word for particular day. For example, getsuyobi, kayobi. Okay. Now you must be wondering, what is this picture? Why I have put up this picture on this slide? Okay. So let me tell you, each day is representing some element. What do I mean by this? If you see here, Nichiyobi, this is the kanji of sun. So this day is representing sun, Sunday. Then Getsuyobi representing moon, Monday. Kayobi is representing fire. You can see this is the kanji of fire. Kayobi, fire. Suiyobi, sui is water. So Suiyobi is representing water, Wednesday. This is representing wood or trees, Mokuyobi, Thursday. Friday is representing money, wealth, gold, kin. All of you know the word kin. Kin is gold. Okay. Money or gold is kin. Kinyobi. And doyobi. Doyobi is, do is for soil or earth. Doyobi is Saturday. So these are the different days in Nihongo. Okay. Yobi is day. Gekka sui moku kindo nichi. Just remember this song and you will be set. Okay. I'm telling all of you to comment these words in the comments below. Gekka sui moku kindo nichi. Done? And this way we are going to remember different days. Nanyobi desu ka? Getsuyobi desu. Toka kayobi desu. Okay. You can tell what day is today. Kyou wa nanyobi desu ka? Answer? Hai. Okay. So that's it for today. Let's stop here and see you in the next video. Thank you.